Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. I have my Stitch Fix for April. I am I think mostly excited. This is the first time where I feel like a stylist has curated something that they really tried to look at the things I had saved. So fingers crossed. I picked 2 items. She picked 3 items. And this is a new stylist, Anna. I like her curation enough that I definitely want to give her a try. I want somebody to get used to, I don't know, my style. If I kept everything, it would be $230. This is the dress I kept last time. I was very iffy about it. If you don't know me, I can take a minute to warm up to something. And so I really like this dress. We went out to dinner tonight. We are getting close to our 20th year anniversary, my husband and I. And so I wore this dress to dinner tonight. I really like it. I've worn it to school, got compliments on it. So I am glad I picked it. All right, let's get into this bundle. One of the items is a sale item, which on one hand is exciting because it's cheaper. On the other hand, I'm kind of noticing a trend with Stitch Fix. If it's on sale, something's wrong with it, as in, you know, like style-wise or fabric-wise. Like there's a reason it wasn't on sale. Nobody was buying it. So I had a turquoise top saved. I really wanted spring colors. This is not what I had saved, but she tried to get close to that. I appreciate the turquoise color. We will see. It is the mixed media, which sometimes I love and sometimes I hate. Sometimes the back one just clings to your back. It does have a tie detail, which for me is, I really don't, you're not going to see it with my hair. But I am super excited about this color. I love this color. This is by Fortune & Ivy Extra Large. This is the Danny Mixed Material Top in teal green. And this is $35, which is a good price. I am hoping it fits and it looks good. We will see. And the front is textured. Like it has almost like a Swiss dot kind of a thing going on. And then the, I believe polyester is kind of a textured polyester. Anyway, I'm excited to try that on. Next up, we have a Daniel Rain that I picked. I will say this is very, like, I don't know. Can you see my face? I can see you guys. This is a very thin polyester. I mean, it's see-through almost up here. Like, that's sort of, I don't like that. And it's Daniel Rain. Like, I don't know. Come on now. The Leona Flutter Detail Blouse, navy. It is extra large. I like the button detail. I almost didn't pick this. It's $64. This does not feel $64 worth of quality. This feels like the thinnest. I don't know. Like, I question that it's not going to be see-through when I put it on. I don't think it will. But this is just the thinnest fabric. And so for Daniel Rain, for $64, I think they can do better. We will see. If it looks good, that necessarily won't stop me. But I was just at JCPenney's and I feel like they had cheaper tops that didn't feel as cheap. Then we have this dress and I'm excited about it because I believe it's coral. Although I think on camera, all right, it cut off midstream because I hadn't formatted my card in a minute. So this I'm excited about because I had it saved. I'm a little bit nervous because it's on clearance. It's corally orange, which seems to be a popular color. Coral generally looks good on me. This is Les Saron. I got one of those pieces last time. It was super tight. This doesn't seem like it's going to be super tight. I kind of like it. I don't know. Like, I'm interested on what it looks like. It is double-lined skirt. Extra large. It is on sale for $47.97. I don't remember what the regular price was. They're saying it's red. This is definitely an orangey coral. I'm excited. It feels good quality. So I'm interested. Clearly people aren't liking it for some reason, or it would not be on sale. So anyway, I'm excited for that. I picked a pair of jeans, and I don't need jeans, but I couldn't say no. It's Cosmic Blue Love. It's a 3% elastane. The last ones did not fit. I was so sad in my last box. The rise was just not high enough. So I thought I would try it again. These are the Kai Pull-On. And oh gosh. In the picture, I didn't realize they were a frayed hem. I am not such a fan of the frayed hem. I like the detail down here. Not so much the fray. So that's it looks to be raw, like non-stitched. I would be curious if, does anybody have, like, does it get more fray? Like, I guess I could take it to a seamstress and have them sew it? I don't know. Anyway, so these are $108. If they were perfect, I would definitely keep them. I'm hoping they are a higher rise than the last ones. These are a flare kind of boot cut. I hope they fit. I really have been loving Cosmic Blue Love lately, but I do need a high rise. And then I need shorts. And I took a leap of hope on these. Sometimes I feel like Stitch Fix's rise isn't accurate. And so I'm hoping these are a higher rise than they say. I'm not... Compared to the Cosmic Blue Love, these are not stretching. These are Liverpool. I definitely could use shorts. I need high rise and I need stretch. And these just aren't feeling very stretchy. They are 99% cotton, which is never my favorite, and 1% elastane. I am much more into these buttery, soft, stretchy. And these are like a total like mix. And I'm kind of, that's what I'm more like. 32% cotton, 23% modal, lyocell, polyester, and elastane. I am generally not into this thick cotton, which probably makes me crazy. But these are Liverpool. I'm excited to try them on. I did have shorts on my wish list. These are $79, size 14. Let's get to the best part. Try this stuff on and see if anything works. All right, I am back with the dress. First of all, I would love to know what you guys think of the color. I know coral looks good on me. This is kind of an orangey coral, so how does the orange part look? I love the sleeve length. I love the V-neck. I was worried it was going to be big. I feel like it fits perfect. The one thing I'm not sure of is this. And the shirt, where it's sewn, I'm not sure. I feel like that looks funky. And then you have the skirt portion. I really like this a bunch. I'm scared. This. And that might be everybody's Achilles heel. Does that just mean it's too small for me? But I feel like the more I wear this, this is like flipping up. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is on sale for $47. I really love the flowiness of the skirt. I love the length of the skirt. I really do love the length of this dress. In the mirror, I don't notice this little thing as much. I don't know. What do you guys think? I am really liking this. Like, I almost feel like I could wear this definitely tomorrow or the next day. I don't know. Let me go, guys know. I feel like this is a winner, especially for the price. It feels like good quality. I am really liking this. I have a school dinner I have to go to in 2 days. and this could be the dress. My only hesitation is this, but in the mirror, I don't feel like it looks as bad as on camera. So let me know. I feel like this is a close contender for being a keeper. All right, I think I like these next two pieces. I will say, I don't know, is the stitching here wonky? Possibly. Like, I don't know. I need to look at that again. But I feel like this top fits really nice. I really like how it lays. It is not see-through on, even if it is see-through holding it up. I really like it. I do need to figure out whether, I feel like it's not wonky. Like if you hold it like this, the V is fine. It's just these little notches I feel like make it look, I don't know. Personally, I don't know if this top is worth $64, but I do like it. These jeans feel so nice. They are high-rise enough, 100%. And I feel like this is the right size. Like, I don't know. Like, they do have a ton of stretch, but I don't think enough to size down. I think they would be super tight in certain areas if I did. These jeans are so comfortable. I want to wear them tomorrow. And my only concern is possibly that frayed hem, but I feel like maybe I could go get a baby hem and take care of that. I don't know. These jeans are just so comfortable. I like 3 pieces. And if you like 3 pieces, I feel like we're getting into Stitch Fix math here, which I could be jumping the gun. It is $230 to keep everything, and I still have 2 pieces, and they may not work. I kind of question the Liverpool jeans. But, let's see. Yeah, if I keep 3 pieces, we are really close to the $230, but the next 2 pieces have to fit. Otherwise, it makes no sense. So I feel like we're getting close to the buy 5 discount. I don't want to take these jeans off. They are this. I feel like I could wear this to work tomorrow. Thursday, I could wear that dress. I am in love. These jeans are not coming off of me. I will say, could I get the 12s? I don't know, but I love these. I'm wearing these pants tomorrow to work. They are so soft. All right, let's go to the next. All right, what do we think about this? I would love the color. What do you think of the color? I am not like 100% loving this keyhole. The fabric is a little bit rougher, not like deal breaker, but I do think this lays really nice. I think this is fitted, yet it skims the curves. And I feel like the same about this. It's one of those where it is a nice shape. I really like the shape. I don't have anything like this in multiple ways. I don't have anything this color. I don't have anything with texture. Again, not a huge fan of the keyhole. And I wonder, could you have a seamstress cut this and then sew it? So it's a V-neck. I don't know. Would that probably ruin it? What do you guys think of this top? It's only 35 bucks. I don't know. Gosh, I have not had a 5 for 5 in a long time. Will the shorts fit? I hate 99% cotton, so I'm kind of guessing they're not going to fit. I think if it wasn't a 5 for 5, this top would go back. I don't think I love it enough, mainly because of this. If it was a regular V-neck, I think I would like it. I do love how this top fits though. And boy, I just, cosmic blue love, I recommend, especially if you're like me, bigger tummy, smaller thighs. These pants are so comfortable. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. I kind of like this top too. Let's get to the jean shorts. Moment of truth. All right, technically these shorts are on. They are button up. I am not a huge fan of that. It's not necessarily a deal breaker, but it will definitely make restroom visits harder. I don't like button up. I don't think I've ever owned a pair. They do technically fit. They are the appropriate length. They're not my favorite fabric. I don't like the stiffer 99% cotton. But I am thinking we have a Mother's Day present to myself. 5 for $5. I don't know. I need to play back videos. I need to think about it. But I am really thinking Stitch Fix Math kind of says Happy Mother's Day to me. I do wish the pants were a slightly higher rise, but I don't, like, there's really, like, they fit. I can use jean shorts. I don't really have many jean shorts. So I feel like this could be a 5 for $5. I want to know what you think. These pants are for sure staying. I'm cutting the tags. These are getting worn tomorrow. I am so excited. So far in my experience, the Cosmic Blue Love don't stretch. They hold their shape. We will see with this pair. These are staying 100%. At least from the first glance, I really liked this top a lot. I think it looks nice. I'm excited for it. I might wear this tomorrow too. I will be honest, I think Daniel Rain has gone down in quality. I don't think they're worth the price anymore. But I think with inflation, I guess they're doing what they can to make it not an $80 top. I don't know. But I really like this. I could really, 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 really use your help on this dress. Does the orange color look good? I love this crinkle flowy skirt. Love the skirt. My only hesitation is this little thing here. What do you guys think? Was it sticking up in a weird way? But this being on sale for $47, it feels good quality. And again, I adore this length. So color, is it a good color? And did this little flap, was it weird? Maybe I could glue that down. I don't know. And then we have this top, which I will admit isn't like my favorite because I think of the keyhole, but I like it. And then again, you have the Stitch Fix Math. So if everybody agrees that these 3 pieces are keepers, it's almost silly not to pay more and get these. Doing math in my head. Yeah. I mean, we're talking about literally these 2 pieces cost me somewhere around $10. Sadly, I need a calculator or more time if I was going to do full-on math. But I am thinking no more than $15 more, and I get these pieces. Do I like them $15 worth? 100%. What do you guys think? I really would love your help on that dress. Do I have a 5 for $5? I am kind of thinking so. There are times where, like, probably what I'll do is tomorrow try them on again, look through the video. And sometimes I kind of calm back down and only pick a couple things. But I am really kind of thinking this might be a 5 for $5. I didn't actually keep anything at the JCPenney's or Macy's. And so I have money to spend. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.